Now today we will understand what is trigonometry, its introduction, and the ratios and equations related to trigonometry. But before going to understand what is trigonometry, we need to understand what is a triangle first. We get trigonometric relations from the triangle, and that triangle has to be a right angled triangle. Okay. So in this right angle triangle ABC, angle ABC is nothing but our right angle, that is it has 90 degrees of angle, and remaining two angles, that is angle BCA and angle BAC. These two are the acute angles. Acute angles means the lines making the angle between them which is less than 90 degrees. Okay. So these two are the acute angles and one angle ABC is our right angle. Okay. Out of these two acute angles, angle CAB is the angle theta. Okay. And we want to find out the trigonometric relations, that is sine of theta, cos of theta, tan of theta, and cot, sec and cosec of theta. So let's understand the side adjacent to this angle theta. So this is our angle theta, and the side adjacent to this theta is nothing but this side, and this side is nothing but AB. Correct? Then the side opposite to angle theta, so this is our theta angle, and the side opposite to this is nothing but this BC, and the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC is nothing but AC. AC is nothing but, or hypotenuse is nothing but, it is the longest side in the triangle. Okay. Then we will understand what is a Pythagoras theorem. So in the Pythagoras, it states that the square of summation of the square of the two sides of a triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay. So according to the statement, the square of the two sides of a triangle, so this is the first side, that is AB. So AB square plus the second side of the triangle, that is BC square, and the summation of squares of these two sides is equal to the AC square. Okay, that is the hypotenuse of the triangle and which is the longest side in the triangle. Okay, so using this equation we can find out the trigonometric equation also. Okay, so this equation is popularly known as Pythagoras theorem, and we will denote it with number 1. Okay, then we will go for the sine of theta. Okay, so what is sine or sine ratio? So sine ratio is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side of this angle theta is nothing but this side BC, so we can write it is BC divided by hypotenuse of the triangle is AC. Okay, so this is AC. So this is our sine theta ratio. Okay, then we can go for the next, that is cosine ratio. So cosine ratio is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, the adjacent side to the angle theta and hypotenuse of the triangle. Okay, so the ratio of these two is nothing but the cosine. So adjacent side of this theta is nothing but AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, then we can go for the tan. Now tan is again, it is a ratio of sine and cos of theta. Okay, and together we, or in the form of sides if we want to tell, then it is the ratio of opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, so opposite side of this theta is nothing but BC divided by adjacent side is nothing but AB. Okay, so this is the tan ratio, and in tan ratio hypotenuse will not be present. The next ratio is cot ratio. Now cot, sec and cosec are the reciprocals of tan, cos and sine. Okay, these are the reciprocals of, so cot of theta is the reciprocal of tan of theta, so we can write this in the opposite direction or in the opposite manner. So it is AB divided by BC. So this is our tan of theta. So tan of theta or cot of theta is nothing but the reciprocal of this ratio. So it is AB divided by BC. Okay. Then sec is a reciprocal of cos of theta. So it is 1 divided by cos of theta. Okay. So the cos is nothing but AB by AC. So the sec ratio will become AC by AB. And cosec is nothing but it is a reciprocal of sine of theta. So sine of theta is BC by AC. So it will become AC by BC. Okay. So these are the equations, these are the relations of trigonometry. Now there is one relation in the trigonometry, that is the sine square of theta plus cos square of theta is equal to 1. In order to derive this equation, we need this Pythagoras theorem, then the sine ratio. This is our second equation, let's say, and this is our third equation. Okay, let's the ratio begin for this derivation. Let's go further. So sine square of theta is nothing but BC square divided by AC square plus cos square of theta is nothing but AB square divided by AC square again. Or base of the left hand side of the equation is nothing but it is same, that is AC square. So we can take it common and we can add, as the bases are same, we can add the above terms. Okay, so it is BC square plus AB square. Okay, and if you compare this numerator of this equation with the equation number 1, you will understand that this AB square and BC square, this is nothing but the bracketed term is nothing but the equation number 1 or LHS of equation number 1. So we can put this as AC square and denominator will remain as it is, that is AC square, and which is equal to 1. So we can write sine square of theta plus cos square of theta is equal to 1. Okay, I hope you understand this trigonometric relations and equation. Thank you very much for watching this video.